Hello, I hope you are fine. Today we are going to do an evaluation with eWave device, eWave 8 device and eLife application. We are going to do a 4-channel evaluation. This is eWave device, Neurofeedback and Biofeedback. We will to do an evaluation with these devices, and this is eLife application. First of all, we select the 4-channel protocol from the template. After opening it, we go to the montage or help screen. The 4-channel evaluation of the front and back of the brain, and it also analyzes the right and left and give us a report based on which we can evaluate. First of all, we are going to see which electrode we are going to put on which part of the head. And then we are going to activate the device. We see here, eWave device can be connected with both portable and cable. We activate our device. There is a button here. We push it. We will wait for it to turn green. When it is green, our device is active and we can use it now. First of all, I am connecting it with a cable here. This is a USB cable for connecting with a cable. We connect it like this, and we put it on the computer like this, and then when we want to connect our device to the software here and check if our device is working or not, it is okay. Now what you see is positive noise, but then we go back to the montage page and connect the electrode. First of all, I want to record from 4 points now. For this, I choose a 5-channel cable, and this is our Neurofeedback cap. Now we will use a 5-channel cable to apply the 4-channel evaluation protocol, and we will look at the montage. We want to record from FZ point, PZ, and F3 and F4. As you know, F means frontal, P means parietal, and even numbers are on the right and odd numbers are on the left. This is our Neurofeedback cap. And so first of all, we need to measure the head. To measure the head with the meter, we can there is a bone under the head here, under this, and we measure between them. For example, as you can see, there are about 38 here. After we measure this 38, we divide it in half, and after dividing it, since it is 19, we mark our point seized here, and then we open the head and find the seized point on the hand. For example, this is seized point here, and we put on it, and then we fix it. After fitting the head, we should use the air clips for reference. and you can see our air clips. We use the air clips for reference, and we must use the EEG paste to the metal part and connect it to the air and the other side in the same way. Okay. And okay, then we should connect the cables and pay attention to the numbers of the cables and our montage page in the eWave software. Okay, we are gelling this points one by one. This is a offset point here. It should reach this skin and the patient should feel it. F3, F4, and pivot. And there is a ground point. We will do this, as you can see here. Ground point. We will connect this later. First of all, I connect my cable to a port of the device. I can connect it here. It can be connected like this. Here, as you can see on this page, there will be one active offset point cable, one active, and active 2 cable. The second electrode is also a pivot point, and the third electrode cable for F3, and fourth cable, active cable for F4. As for the references, we have 2 reference cables to the right and left air. We connect it like this. The feature of this new head, new cap, is that the location of these electrodes can change. For example, as you can see here, ground, I can change it like this. Okay. After connecting every cables, all of the cables, we check. Okay, I go back the software and check, is there a signal or not? As you can see, there is a no noise or artifact. So now I can add my client. When we open it, as you can see, I can add a technician, and to add a new patient or new client, there's a ID code here. This code will be number specific to the client or patient. The patient's name, last name, age, and phone number. And if it is written here from the previous patients, I can select it and make a new recording. As you can see, I can select it. I choose like this. If I want to save my recording, I click on the button and okay. For recording, we wait at least 3 or 5 minutes. The environment should be a quiet place. The patient should focus. This evaluation protocol measures the right and left side of the brain and front and back. Now you will see, we will show you in a few minutes. Okay, we can stop the recording and go to analyze page. Okay, next we can open our analyze.